Toyota Kirloskar Motor has kick-started the year 2022 with the launch of the facelifted Camry in the country. The new 2022 Toyota Camry Hybrid Facelift has been launched in India at Rs 41.7 lakh ex-showroom. This is the second update for the current 8th generation Camry ever since it has been launched in the Indian market in January 2019. The 2022 Toyota Camry Hybrid Facelift has received minor cosmetic updates along with an improved infotainment system. Its powertrain setup, however, remains unchanged. That means it continues to derive power from the 2.5-litre petrol engine that's paired to a 120 brake horsepower permanent magnet synchronous motor, while the gasoline unit delivers a claimed power of 178 brake horsepower. Its combined power output stands at 218 brake horsepower. The sedan continues to use the CVT automatic gearbox for performing transmission duties. Based on Toyota's TNGA, Toyota New Global Architecture platform, the new Camry Hybrid offers a fuel efficiency of 23.37 kilometers per litre. In terms of visual appeal, the premium executive sedan now gets a new sharper front fascia with reprofiled bumpers and horizontal slat pattern inserts. Also, it features less chrome than its predecessor. The headlamps remain the same as before and it gets a glowing Toyota logo since it's a hybrid model. The sedan runs on new dual-tone 18-inch alloy wheels and at the rear, it sports darkened inserts for the LED tail lamp. The new Toyota Camry Hybrid is a pretty well-equipped executive sedan. It gets a new 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. The sedan also features ventilated front seats with a memory function for the driver's seat, a 9-speaker JBL audio system, a head-up display, cruise control, an electric sunroof, and safety equipments like 9 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, etc. The new 2022 Toyota Camry Hybrid Facelift rivals the Skoda Superb in India.